In this video, we will create a spring season presentation using PowerPoint. This tutorial will help you design slides that capture the essence of spring and summer with seasonal theme. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Go to Insert, go to Media, click on Video and insert video from stock. Search Nature here. Select and insert it. Click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Highlight your presentation here, select both, go to Merge Shape, select Combine. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill, select Color using Eyedropper. Now click on Slide Show. You have learned how to create a stunning presentation inspired by Pacific Ocean in PowerPoint. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next video.